Hi, welcome to Victory Vibes. I'm Satyavati Balla. I'm into making business videos. Now I'm with founder of WealthExperts, Nikita. Hi Nikita.
Hi Satya.
What is the mission of WealthExperts?
So our vision is to empower women and youth in financial planning and wealth management.
What is stopping people to invest in the mutual funds and stock market?
So the fear of losing their money and the lack of financial literacy, lack of financial basic education is what stopping people to invest.
How do you help the people to overcome the fear?
So at Wealth Experts, we educate them with basic financial literacy. We help them understand how to beat inflation, how to stay invested, what to do when it comes to long-term, disciplined, goal-oriented investment. We first understand their risk appetite and their goals. The goals can be short-term, mid-term and long-term. So today our stock market capitalization stands at $3.6 trillion, which is gonna grow up to $40 trillion by 2050. So be a part of India's growth. Start investing today.
For long-term, goal-oriented, disciplined investments in mutual fund, contact WealthExperts.
Thank you with media partner WINZ Business.